everyone. Welcome to This Day. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, and we've got a brain teaser for you right off the bat. Let me go ahead and tell you what that brain teaser question is. It is, Billy's mother had 5 children. The first was named Lala, the second was named Lele, the third was named Lili, and the fourth was named Lolo. What was the 5th child's name? So we'll let you think about that for a little while, and we'll give you the answer later in our broadcast. But first, on our show today, we have an update with Jeff Parker, and he's going to talk to us a little about some of the numbers that have come out from the Orange County Health Department. He's going to give us an update on the grand reopening of the golf course and a couple of other things that we think you should know about. And then when we come back later, I'm going to have some community information for you, which is going to be along the lines of do-it-yourself stuff, since we still are at a stay-at-home order. So stay tuned for all that. Let's go ahead and go to our websites that we have continually given you information on, the cdc.gov and the ochealthinfo.com. And then, of course, if you want to follow along with the governor's reopening of California, you can go to usa.gov/coronavirus. Of course, you can always go to our website, which is Laguna Woods Village Alerts.com, and we will have all the information for you about local stuff, as well as updating you on some of the government, as well as federal government and state government. You can also email us at info@lagunawoodsvillage.com if you have any questions, or you could go to our recorded hotline that is updated daily at 949-268-2019. Let's go ahead and take a look at our weather, which looks very pleasant. Oh, look, there's our golf course there. So today we have some low clouds this morning, sunny this afternoon, 72-58. We've got partly sunny tomorrow, 73-58, and then on Friday, partly cloudy, 76-60, and then low clouds, sunshine on Saturday, but it's going to be nice and warm at 77-60, and then on Sunday, 74-62. Let's take a look at our sunrise and sunset. Our sunrise this morning was at 5:51, and our sunset is 7:44. Now this photo is awesome. This is from Terry Miles from the Laguna Wood Yacht Club. They were out there on their boat, and look at what a treat. They got a tail of a whale. So that's awfully awesome. Go ahead and send us your fabulous photo to lagunawoodsvillagetv@gmail.com. And I'm happy to say that we have a few entries lately, so we're kind of set for the week, but please keep sending them in and we'll try and fit your photo in. All right, when we come back, we will have an update with Jeff Parker, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Harvard Eye Associates. We have been proudly serving Orange County for over 40 years. We are excited to announce our Laguna Hills location is now located at a larger state-of-the-art facility, located a block away from our previous location. Our new facility is conveniently located next to Saddleback Hospital and across from Nordstrom Rack at 23961 Calle de la Magdalena. Come join the Circle of Care at Harvard Eye Associates, where the future of vision is today.
There are everyday actions to help prevent the spread of respiratory diseases. Wash your hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects with household cleaning spray. For more information, visit cdc.gov/COVID-19. This message brought to you by the National Association of Broadcasters and this station.
As Orange County's highest-ranked hospital, Hoag is the place to turn to for timely information, reassurance, and care in these uncertain times. Our dedicated physicians, nurses, and staff stand ready to safely deliver world-class care, just as we have for nearly 70 years. This is what we do. We are here for you, and we will overcome this together. To access Hoag for all of your healthcare needs, visit hoag.org/trust.
Welcome back. Well, we have Jeff Parker here with an update. Welcome back again this week. Nice to see you.
Good morning, Lisa. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. So you've got a couple of things to go over, starting with some of our Orange County numbers.
Yeah, I wanted to just mention again for our watching public that we have in Orange County 3,600 cases now. It was 3,500 just a few days ago. It's gone up, continues to rise. 62 new cases yesterday reported. 77 cumulative deaths in the county, so that continues to, unfortunately, to rise. And probably one of the stats that we keep watching for getting to this normal period is that our testing numbers were down at 399 instead of the normal close to 2,000 that they've been testing. So I don't know if that's just the weekend number, that it slowed down, or for some reason we saw lower reporting, but that certainly indicates that the inconsistency that's still there within Orange County that we have to be aware of. And then on the more serious note, in the area of the hospitalization, we hit 230 people in the hospital with COVID-19 and 100 in ICU. Those are the two highest numbers for hospitalization and ICU that we've had since we've been taking in numbers. So that shows that the impact of COVID-19 is still here and still impacting us here in Orange County. Good news, Laguna Woods is still at 8 in counting. So the people here in the village have done such a great job of staying at home and following the rules and regs. So the impact to the county is still kind of seeing this slow growth, and that's one of the key factors for Governor Newsom's information about releasing things, opening up more. He wants to see a stabilization. He wants to see a reduction in some of these activities, and we just haven't seen that yet in Orange County.
Exactly, and I know that yesterday there was some announcements from Governor Newsom, and I know you guys were on the call. Can you share with us some of the updates? Yeah,
so he went through basically what he announced last Thursday, that he was going to give more particulars, although a little disappointing because he didn't go into a lot of detail. He, in his conference call and on the TV program yesterday, got a lot of calls with regards to restaurant activities, which is truly important to our retail side of the equation. So obviously they're trying to get to the point where they can open up more restaurants for going inside, making reservations and having social distancing. So they're coming up with requirements on how you would do that. Right now you can do the full takeout, and you can call your favorite restaurant and get takeout to the curbside, as well as they opened up a lot more in the area of retail businesses who can now do pick up at the curbside as opposed to just being able to do it online in the past. So that's probably the biggest change with regards to this first element of phase 2. He's going to have more to phase 2, but that's going to be triggered by how well these counties individually meet his requirements. Now, we did get information, we were looking at the Orange County update, and their Orange County Health Agency director, their new director, is meeting with the Board of Supervisors on Thursday, tomorrow, giving his plan on how the county can open up more in the future. So I would suspect that once they receive that report, that the Board of Supervisors probably next Tuesday will be taking maybe some more actions with regards to opening up. Right now, Orange County has now been able to open up their beaches again, but only for active activities. No just laying out at the beach, no just hanging out. But if you're active, walking, running, biking, swimming, those things are okay with regards to that. And for us here at the village, we're talking about what is our next level and next phases that we can open up. Golf opened up Monday. Tennis opens up next Monday. Again, this is for tennis for singles play only. So I want to emphasize that. We have the rules and regs already established for that. We're now looking at both pickleball and paddle tennis, outside activities, and also our other outside activities such as bocce ball and lawn bowling. How can we do those with practicing the social distancing and the concerns about, well, if you're using the same ball and those kind of activities. So we're looking at those. There is no guidelines from the state right now as to those activities being allowed or not allowed. So we're trying to drill down and say, okay, they're so similar to tennis in the case of paddle tennis and pickleball. Could we not open those with regards to having our operations?
Right, right. So let's go back just to what you said about the supervisors and the governor. So is it possible, do you know if it's possible to have the supervisors, the county, can they kind of supersede what Gavin Newsom has directed, or how does that work?
They can't supersede the orders from the state unless they just want to challenge the governor. And some counties have done that. There's a few counties that have basically said, we're not going to follow the governor's regulation. Those are a couple of counties in Northern California.
I see, okay.
Very far from Northern California. Very small population bases, so that's
Sure.
why they feel they can do that.
Okay.
With regards to counties that have more population bases like Riverside, Orange, San Diego, LA County, they are following the governor's proclamations and orders. What they're looking for, though, is, and the governor wants to give them, is there the flexibility of opening up certain areas faster than his phase two. And his answer to that's been, we'll give you more flexibility if you can show on the health standards
Sure.
that you're meeting those requirements. And if
Right.
you are, then we'll give you more flexibility. That's
Right.
the challenge that's going on right now.
Right, and then of course, as you see the numbers increasing in certain areas, then of course, we would not be opening anytime soon some of the things that I know we want to, based on those numbers, because I think there has to be consecutive, decrease in numbers, right?
I think there's really the point is trying to level this curve out as much as possible. If you see a decrease, then that means we're doing that, we're accomplishing it, and that gives you the ability to start looking at opening up other businesses,
Right.
other activities. I know everybody wants to get the economy rolling again, get their employees back working again. But again, for here at the Village, the one thing that we want to remember, and I want to emphasize, is we want to do it safely.
Right.
And we want to make sure that our residents are safe. And that being at high risk, that we need to ensure that. So that's why in the operations like golf and tennis and all these that we're opening
Right.
up, it's our residents only. It's not guests coming in.
Right, right, because you just never know. Now let's talk a little bit about the reopening of the golf course. How did everything go?
It went really well. We obviously changed things up with regards to a reservation process, and so we feel like it went pretty well given everything that we knew was going to be a challenge. How it was going to get people were going to pay, how they were going to get signed up. But I think Tom's done a great job out there running this. So we're very happy it's open.
Great.
And I know our residents are happy it's open.
Right.
In our golf club and our golf men's club and the women's club. I'm sure they're excited to be out there again in this beautiful weather. It's a great time to be playing golf.
Yeah, we're just showing some footage of our golf course. It looks really great. It looks empty, but that's the idea. And look at everybody doing their little social distancing.
How they're spaced out, and people are individual carts.
Right.
So that works out really well. It's
Exactly.
great to see.
Good. Well, thank you for that. That's perfect. And then you did mention that tennis and pickleball will follow, so hopefully you'll have more information next week about that.
Yeah, tennis definitely on Monday.
Okay.
It will open for singles play on Monday, and reservation process has already started.
Oh, good.
So that's great from that perspective. And then we're delving into whether or not pickleball and paddle tennis can be our next to operate.
Okay.
It seems logical from our
Okay.
perspective, so we're taking a look at that.
Okay, very good. Well, wonderful. Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you again on Friday.
Definitely.
All right, thanks. And remember, if you wanted more information about what we just discussed and the numbers, you can always go to the websites that we share with you on a regular basis. And most importantly, you can go to our website, which is LagunaWoodsVillageAlerts.com. We'll be right back.
COVID-19 is a serious respiratory disease. There are simple steps we can all take to stay healthy and protect our community. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and warm water. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. Cover coughs and sneezes with a tissue or elbow and avoid touching your face. If you do have symptoms like cough and fever, stay at home and call your doctor. When we all do our part, we can keep California healthy. For more information, visit covid19.ca.gov.
Now there's a new way to buy a new Lexus. It's called Car Dash, only available at southcountylexus.com. It's amazingly simple. Visit southcountylexus.com, select and reserve your new or pre-owned vehicle that comes with a 5-day love it or leave it guarantee. Apply for credit, calculate your payment, and even appraise your trade-in. You can even have the vehicle delivered, all online, saving you valuable time. Push a button, get a Lexus. At South County Lexus, different is amazing.
May know age well for delivering life-saving Meals on Wheels to homebound seniors. But did you know they keep seniors active and engaged at 10 modern centers? Serve nutritious congregate meals amid friendly surroundings. Transport seniors safely to and from appointments, and provide much-needed equipment and other essential services. Now, this vital nonprofit organization needs your support to sustain its mission. This is Age Well Senior Services. Won't you make it yours?
Are you or someone you know facing financial challenges from unexpected emergency expenses? The foundation of Laguna Woods Village can provide the temporary help you need. Meals on Wheels, adult day services, dental services, medical alert services, and ambulance contracts. Contact the Village Social Services at 949-597-4267 to see if you qualify. Neighbors helping neighbors. The mission of the foundation of Laguna Woods Village.
Today, we are marking the beginning of a new era as City of Hope opens its first location right here in Newport Beach.
We have 500 scientists and doctors who have dedicated their lives to beating cancer. So they use that intellectual capital to try to make sure every patient gets the best care possible that's known to science.
At Freedom Village Assisted Living, we provide loving care and support when your loved one needs it most. We believe in laughing more and caring more. Dining will be an experience, not just a meal. We offer opportunities to create new memories. Your family will feel like they are part of our family as we work toward creating an extraordinary difference in lives worth living. To schedule a tour and complimentary lunch and for more information, please call us at 949-340-8108 or visit our website, freedomvillage.org.
Jewelry box. It's about trust.
Do you buy gold?
Yes, we do.
Do you buy diamond rings?
We do.
Do you buy watches?
We do.
Do you buy silver?
We do.
Do you buy bees?
Yes, we do.
Gold, diamonds, jewelry, or sterling silver. The Jewelry Box of Lake Forest makes it easy to get top dollar for your treasures. No appointment necessary. Simply come in and walk out with money for your valuables.
Whether it's one ring or an entire estate,
we buy it all.
I would bring you some really fun stuff for do-it-yourself with stuff that you have around your house. So we've found some interesting things that you can make. So our first one is create a beautiful vase with all your extra pennies. That actually would look kind of nice. Look at how they have, you really can't see the picture very well, but you'll need an unused vase, lots of pennies, some black spray paint if you happen to have it, but you could go to Lowe's and get it if you really wanted to, because they are open, and a glue gun. Now, some of the, we will have the instructions on our website, but I want to just give you an idea. So you have one vase that you don't like, or you're just sitting around the house, you can spray paint the whole thing black, and then you just glue on all those pennies. So that would be a nice, tedious type of activity that'll take you some time. And then, of course, you have your final product. Look at that pretty vase on the right. I think that's kind of nice, and different colors of the pennies. All right, the next one that we have is doing the line drawers with unwanted or used gift wrap. So if you don't have any of that contact paper, you can use gift wrap instead. So it might make your drawer a little more festive when you open up your drawer. What you need for that one is you need a ruler, wrapping paper, scissors and a ruler, and then a pencil and the clear paper that you'd like to use, or the paper that you'd like to use. Now you could do contact paper and you can put it over the wrap just to prevent it from actually tearing. All right, the last one that we have, actually I think I have 2 more. The last one is making keychains with wine corks. Now we know the wine lovers club has plenty of corks. So this would be a fun activity for you guys to do. Super simple. You have your wine corks, you have the rings at the top, you have the little screw eyes that go in there, eye pins and charms or beads to go at the end. So I think that's a super fun thing. Now, of course, if you would like to know how to do all of these things, you can go to our virtual recreation site, which is located on our LagunaWoodsVillage.com website, and you go to amenities, and all this fun stuff will be listed under there. Now, I have an announcement that I made last week, but I wanted to just update you about the broadband services that is going to be happening tonight. So routine maintenance is scheduled for midnight tonight, starting this evening, Wednesday, May 13th. The work is being conducted to replace the cable plant emergency battery backup and switching system. And the system is currently 20 years old, so they needed to redo it, and they did have the money in the 2020 budget, so they thought we'd better get started on it. And the television outage will be from about 12 a.m. to 2 a.m. So those of you who wake up to watch TV, you won't be able to do that, so you might have to do something different. And they believe that it would only take about 20 minutes, but the 2-hour time frame just to give them any opportunity if there happens to be a problem. All right, good. So there will be no impact, just to let you know, to your internet services. So all good. All right, we will be right back after this break.
Wanted to let you know, in the midst of the COVID virus update, we are open. We are seeing emergency treatment. We've taken some extra precautions to make sure that our patients are safe. We're taking temperatures to make sure that no one has a fever, and we're also having patients rinse with a medication called Pyroxal for 30 seconds. And there's a number of other precautions that we've taken here in our office to make sure that everyone stays safe during this difficult time.
Welcome back. Did you get the answer? All right, I'm going to read the question one more time. Billy's mother had 5 children. The first was named Lala. The second was named Lily. The third was named Lily. The fourth was named Lolo. What was the 5th child's name? Did you get it? It's named Billy. Remember at the very beginning I said Billy's mother. Isn't that funny? I hope you guys all got that one. That seems to be the easiest one of them all, but still a stumper anyway. All right, let's take a look at our movie for Friday. Our movie is going to be Instant Family, and that has Mark Wahlberg and a variety of other actors in it. And this is kind of about Pete and Ellie, who decide to start a family, and they stumble into the world of foster care adoption. And they hope to take in 1 small child, but they end up with 3 children instead. And the challenge begins at their new instant parenthood. That will be at Friday at 2 p.m. with subtitles and 7 p.m. without subtitles. Again, that's called Instant Family, and that's brought to you by Memorial Care. Now, we've got a really fun thing to tell you about. You know, in Washington and a couple of other states now, they've had flyovers from the Thunderbirds as well as, the Angels. And I wanted to share this with you. We got a little footage. But starting on Friday morning, the U.S. Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron, the Thunderbirds, will honor frontline COVID-19 responders and essential workers with formation flights over San Diego and Los Angeles on Friday, May 15th, and they will have a pass through Orange County. So it's a formation of 6 F-16CD Fighting Falcons will conduct the flyovers and salute the healthcare workers, first responders, military, and other essential personnel. Now, a route map will be released tomorrow, so hopefully by Friday morning's newscast, we will be able to share that map with you so you can see what the route will be over Orange County. So that'll be something fun. So I'll keep you posted on that. All right, our fun music for the day is classical and country Americana, but you're going to have to compete because they're both at 5 p.m. So you're going to have to decide. 5 p.m. live.nationalsawdust.org will be one of them. And the other one is Bluegrass Situation Whiskey Sour Happy Hour. I love the way that sounds. Is going to be on YouTube, and that's the Bluegrass Situation. So you may want to take a look at that one. Then we also have a Pick-a-thon concert, which is going to be Anna and Elizabeth. So go ahead and look at Pick-a-thon on YouTube to see what that is, and that's at 1 p.m. All right, let's take a look at our weather one more time. In the 70s, ooh, look at those jets. Nice. Okay, today we're gonna have 72, 58, some clouds. More clouds again tomorrow, 73, 58. Friday, partly cloudy, 76, 60. That's making me dizzy looking at that. Saturday, 77, 60, and then on Sunday, 74, 62. So the weekend's looking pretty good so far. All right, well, very good. You guys have a wonderful day in the village, and you guys stay healthy. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Irizarry. I'm the President and CEO of Align Wealth Advisors here in Laguna Hills, California. For over 30 years, I've helped my clients through thick and thin times. Of course, these are times where people need help most, and we're available. If you're interested, give us a call. My number is 949-715-8585, and I wish you and yours good health.
Tip, toss, take action. Don't give mosquitoes a fighting chance. Don't give mosquitoes a fighting chance.